Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. I hope you all are doing great. In today's episode, I'm going to guide you through the tutorial video on how to redeem a Sephora gift card. So, to get started, first of all, go ahead and visit the official website of Sephora and make sure you're logged into it. You can visit the website by searching www.sephora.com, and you will be directed to the official website of Sephora. So, in order to redeem a Sephora gift card, what you're going to do is select any product. For instance, I'm choosing this one. Now, I'm adding it to my cart or basket. Once I do that, click on Checkout. Review the items, and now you will be prompted to enter your payment details and shipping address. In order to redeem, what you're going to do is locate the promo or reward code section. Simply add your promo or reward code, fill up all your information, and click on Place Order. After you do that, you will be successfully able to redeem your Sephora gift card. And that's all, guys. This is how easily you can redeem a Sephora gift card. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.